Hello everyone. So today we have x to the power of 1 over 2 minus x to the power of 1 over 3 all equals to 4. X is the unknown. So we're going to solve together. Let's seek solution. If we consider the denominator of the powers 2 and 3 respectively, so we can drive our solution to difference of 2 cubes and difference of 2 squares. And if we say let x be equal to m to the power of 6, so our equation therefore becomes m to the power of 6 to the power of 1 over 2 minus m to the power of 6 also to the power of 1 over 3. It is all equal to 4. But a to the power of m to the power of n is equals to a to the power of m times n. So if we agree on this, we can therefore write m to the power of 6 times 1 over 2 minus m to the power of 6 times 1 over 3. This is all equals to 4. So if we do this very well, we're going to come up with m to the power of 3 minus m to the power of 2. This is equal to 4. So in the next line, we're going to derive the corresponding power of 2 and 3 from 4. So if we write 8 minus 4, 8 minus 4 is equals to 4. And 8 can be written as 2 to the power of 3, and 4 is 2 to the power of 2. So that the next line becomes m to the power of 3 minus m to the power of 2 equals to 8 minus 4. And it is m to the power of 3 minus m to the power of 2 equals to 2 to the power of 3, which is 8, minus 2 to the power of 2, which is 4. If we do this very one, we're going to group them according to their powers. That is, m to the power of 3 minus 2 to the power of 3 minus m to the power of 2 plus 2 to the power of 2. This is all equals to 0. So that m to the power of 2 minus to the power of 3 minus 2 to the power of 3 put in bracket minus m to the power of 2 minus 2 to the power of 2. This is equal to 0. And from algebra, a to the power of 3 minus b to the power of 3, the difference of 2 cubes, is represented as a minus b into a squared plus ab plus b squared, where a is m and b is 2. This is in the form of this. So we have m minus 2 in bracket into m to the power of 2 plus 2m plus 4. That is 2 to the power of 2. So close the bracket minus m to the power of 2 minus 2 to the power of 2 is all equal to 0. Again, a to the power of 2 minus b to the power of 2 is represented as a minus b, a plus b. This is the difference of 2 squared, and this is in the form of this, so that here m minus 2 in bracket m to the power of 2 plus 2m plus 4, close the bracket, minus here m minus 2 m plus 2 is all equal to 0. And if we do this very well, we have m minus 2 common in both terms, so that if we factor it out, n minus 2 to be left with m to the power of 2 plus 2m plus 4 minus m minus 2 equals to 2. So if we simplify this, we're going to have m minus 2, here m to the power of 2, 2m minus m, that is plus m, plus 4 minus 2, that is plus 2, is all equal to 0. Here we end up having two cases. Case 1, m minus 2 equals equals to 0. And case 2, m squared plus m plus 2 is equals to 0. So from here, m is equals to 2. And on this other side, if we say a is 1, b is 1, and c is 2, data becomes b squared minus 4ac. So that b 1 squared minus 4 times 1 times 2. And that becomes 1 minus 8. And data eventually becomes minus 7. 1 minus 8 is minus 7. And this is less than 0. Eventually, this will give us a complex number and to be rejected. We're going to recall that x was given as m to the power of 6. M to the power of 6 is equals to x. So here, 2 to the power of 6, this is x. And 2 to the power of 6, 64 is equals to s. That is, s is equals to 64. So to verify this, if the value of s is actually 64, we're going to go back to the original equation, that is x to the power of 1 over 2 minus s to the power of 1 over 3 equals to 4. So 64 to the power of 1 over 2 minus 64 to the power of 1 over 3, can this be equals to 4? For 64 can be written as a to the power of 2 to the power of 1 over 2 minus also 64 can be written as 4 to the power of 3 also to the power of 1 over 3. Want to verify if this will give us 4. Now if we do this very well, 2 can cancel out 2. What is left is 8 minus 3 cancels out 3. What is left with 4? Want to show if this is 4. 8 minus 4, indeed it is 4, is equals to 4. So it is true that the value of s is equals to 64. Thank you for staying tuned. Please subscribe, give a thumbs up, and leave a comment. Bye-bye.